at that color over there. Look at that. Look at that. That is glorious, that color. Oh my Lord, that is just amazing. Little bit of, I'm getting a little bit of vertigo because it's been a while since I've flown. Hey, this is Dad Random, and today I'm going to take advantage of this beautiful sunset. And what I've done is with the AVATA 2, I've put on this Freewell ND8. So I've been waiting for these NDs to come in so I could take advantage of the golden hour. So all right, so let's go fly. Let's fly the golden hour with the AVATA 2. All right. But it should be pretty cool. I just want to do a short flight and capture the beauty out here. It is freaking gorgeous out here. So I'm excited to see what the AVATA will do out here in this beautiful sunset. All right, so there we go. We got blinking red. Let's see if we get. Looks like we're green. We're green on the controller. So all right, let's go. Let's fly. Let's have a cool flight. So, all right, I'm trying to get my camera a little bit further back. Is that good? We got a little truck in the right about there. A little bit truck in the wide angle. All right. So let's get glasses off. Oh, it looks awesome. All right, here we go. Let's fly. Let's fly. All right. So we're gonna take off in manual mode, and there we go. Let's do some cruising. Let's do some manual cruising. But look at the beautiful. Look at the highlights. I do see a red dot. So one of the things that I had problems with when I've done flying like this is I've had to deal with, if you're in the sun, you get the red dot. But so far so smooth. I'm just trying to stay smooth. And I am 4K 60 wide mode. 4K 60 wide mode and EIS off, so this will be corrected using gyro flow. So I'm going to get out there to the edge of the cliff. I'm getting a little bit better at holding my head right, and it's really important that you keep your head still because all of the control functions are going through your goggles. It's been a little while since I've flown this little bird too, so I'm gonna get out here and use all of the terrain, and I want to use the high terrain first. You know, like why don't I fly in sport mode? Because I won't be able to do vertical drops. Now, like I said, I am seeing a little bit of a lens flare, and I would be interested to see if that lens flare is, yeah, you see it's gone now. So sometimes that happens, you know, that's just part of the deal. And when I did fly with NDs with the original DJI bird, remember our first FPV drone. So I think I'm going to cross over today. I'm going to cross over to the other side of the cliff. Look at that down there. Look at how pretty that is. Now you're saying, well, why don't you just fly this with the, you know, with the Mavic 3 or something? Because I can do it with this. All right, let's go around here and then, yeah, we've got to, all right, I've got to I have to brace myself against something. Here we go. There we go. You get a little teeny bit of vertical when you do flips. So, okay, I'm gonna fly across. Maybe I'm gonna go wait till I get across this short section here. Be interesting to see how much I get out of this battery. There is a little bit of wind today. I am not flying without wind. So, there we go. There we go. Oh, look at it down there. We've got a lot of contrast too today. So let's go across into the rocks. Oh, we got plenty of battery. I just want to get these highlights on the cliff. And look at down below there. Look at that. I can't go down there. I can't go down there. And okay, we're not getting any. I'm not getting any. Oh, there's a little lens flare. It's okay. Sometimes you just got to cut that footage out. Now we're gaining altitude. Oh wow, we're getting a bunch of lens flare, but I'm going the wrong direction. I'm going into the sun. So, oh, look at the colors down there. Oh my Lord. Watch this, check this out. Look at that. Look at that color over there. Look at that. Look at that. That is glorious, that color. Oh my Lord, that is just amazing. I'm getting a little bit of vertigo because it's been a while since I've flown. So, and this is the way I want to fly anyway. This is where I'm going to get the best footage. And in the case of this specific flight, this is what I want. I want to get the highlights going away from the sun. Okay, you know what? There we go. Now we're going to get a little bit there coming in. Go in. So a little bit of lens flare can be really pretty. So look at that down there, though. Oh my gosh. Looks like we're milking the throttle pretty good. Looks like we're milking the throttle. Now this one doesn't burn up the terrain like the previous, the first version of the FPV drone. The AVATA did pretty good in this particular flying. I'm really interested to see what kind of detail I'm able to capture along this cliff. And I do want this. So you see I've got that beautiful cloud up there. I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna fly this tomorrow, but since we have weather, I wasn't gonna lose this opportunity. I wasn't gonna lose this opportunity to capture all that dynamic range. Oh my God, look at that. Look at how beautiful it is out there. Oh my gosh, guys. That is just gorgeous. I'm just gonna keep doing this. I'm just gonna keep going up the side of the ridge here. Look at that gorgeous freaking turn. Oh my Lord. Hope I don't get myself sick. There's our home point. Right. Look at those shrubs down there. So we got a lot of water going on right now, so we're getting just beautiful color. Oh my gosh, look at that. I think I just flew into a bug. Here, let me put that lens flare right straight into the sun. That could be cool. Yeah, you just gotta play with it, you know? Just gotta play with it. Just gotta play with it. I'm gonna have to turn around and go home. And let's go over the cliff one more time. Let's go over the cliff and go, oh yeah, look at that out there. Yeah, that's gorgeous. All right, let's use gravity and come home. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that just amazing? That is just amazing out there. And by the way, this AVATA 2 with these Freewell with this Freewell ND8 is just knocking it out of the park right now. The AVATA 2 is a heck of a lot more quiet than the AVATA 1. I don't know what anybody has to say that. I'm hearing some complaints, and I think a lot of it's just complaints on settings, that a lot of folks are just understanding that you have to max out your settings so you don't get it doing goofy things. I do have a new flying location too I'm going to be using here not too long. You see that house down there? See that house down there? That is a new RV park going in. And they said that I could fly from there, and they were going to allow me to enjoy that. So, yeah, they said, yeah, come over and fly in our RV park. Right there, that house right straight forward. And I gotta head back. I have gotta head back, guys. I feel like I'm getting some, it feels like a headwind, but yeah, right there. You see that? You see that building out there? Right there, that one. That's going to be our new launch point, and that'll give us a nice, comfortable place to fly from. But we're almost back. We're just following the terrain. Just milking out this battery. That wash down there. Pretty fun to hike those washes, by the way. Alright, we're just gonna come on home. But plenty of battery. We used to get a lot of like just my power loss at 30%, and I don't feel that. I don't see myself losing. I can hear it. I can hear it out there. God, it's just gorgeous. You got to take advantage of this time of the day. You just have to. And like I said, it's, you know, you get those. You know, you're going to get those little. You get those little opportunities to. There's Dad Random. There he is, back in sport mode. And he's gonna go and he's gonna land it on his truck. And how you doing, Dad Random, with your unbelievably gorgeous flight in. All right, there we are. We're down. We are down. All right. Oh, hey, what a landing! Look at that right there. That is just unbelievable, guys. I hope you enjoyed that flight. Freewell, thank you so much. Freewell did provide me with this ND kit. This is a standard 4-day. It's a standard day. It's a 4-pack. So this one includes a ND8, which I was flying with, a 16, 32, and 64. They actually recommend you fly with a 16 this time of day, but I was afraid to lose the moment. The other two NDs that I'm going to try out, one is the ultraviolet right here, give us a little different hue. And then when I take it to the water, the polarizer. So this is good for when you're over water to get those blues. But for Dad Random, and yeah, there we go, there we go. This is the ND8 let me turn this off right here. What a great flight. Guys, if you have not flown the AVATA 2 yet, guys, you have got to fly this thing. I was just checking to see if my card was in there. Wouldn't that suck? Oh my God. It wouldn't be the first. It wouldn't be the first time that I've flown with without a card. But one of the things that I was kind of concerned with when I first was flying with this is that this gimbal guard fits on, and it does. So you just yeah, you just hook it down. I think it's, do I have it on back? I get this reversed all the time. So right there, yeah, this goes the other side. This is the top piece that goes there. Yeah. And I think I hooked the top and then I hooked the bottom. So there. Yeah, it makes it snug in there, but it doesn't compress the, I was just checking to see if it compressed the camera at all. It looks okay. So everything seems to be good. I'm not forcing it on or anything like that. But controller 3, goggles 3, and the AVATA 2, guys. And Freewell for the AVATA 2 right there. So yeah, the standard pack. This is a 4-pack. Remember, ND4, ND30, 64, 32, 16, and 8. So I like to use the ND8 a lot, like in the mornings and stuff like that. So 16 is, like I said, recommended, but it's, remember, flying with NDs is a personal choice. So don't feel like you have to do everything everybody else does. You can step it down, By stepping it up, you start to get the motion blur. So especially when you're running that fast frame rate. So, all right, Dead Random, all right. Have a good one. Guys, fly during the golden hour and get the most out of your AVATA 2, okay? Golden hour flights are absolutely unbelievable. And this one was no freaking, it was no slouch, was it? Later, Dead Random, bye. Have a good one, have a great week. Dead Random, flying at golden hour with Freewell.